What's up, everybody? Now, this is going to be kind of a tough video to make, but y'all definitely deserve to know the truth about me running an illegal credit repair company in the state of Georgia. They've done took my double wide, they've done took my golf cart, they're going to take my truck, and I just need to state some facts so y'all know what's going on. Y'all deserve to know the truth. Y'all deserve to know what's going on. So let me just start off by saying credit repair is illegal in Georgia. 100%. 100%. But there are ways to do it legally. And I'm going to try to keep this video short. But again, y'all deserve to know the truth. And I'm just playing. Ain't nobody took no trailer. I don't have a trailer in my golf cart. I can go get it if it'll make anybody feel better. I was just joking. So somebody did ask me once, how do you get away with doing credit repair in Georgia? How do you get away with having a business in Georgia? So when the business started, it was in the state of Texas. It is not illegal to run another business in another state. The reason the business was also registered to the state of Georgia is because I was told, since I lived here, even though the business is in Texas, I have to have an LLC registered here too. Come to find out, that couldn't be further from the truth. Now, that part doesn't matter. So if you live in the state of Georgia and somebody's working on your credit, or if you live anywhere for that, for all that matters, if they live in the state of Georgia, you can only do it for free as a nonprofit, or you can have attorneys do it. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news for people that don't like me, but we have attorneys in the state of Georgia that literally do 100% of the work, all the way down to mailing those letters. They're typing them up and they're mailing them off for me. So it is 100% legal. The fact that the business is in Texas, 100% legal. I'm just a mailman, as I've been called, and I like being a mailman, and it is not illegal to be a mailman and mail anything. So that being said, one thing you don't have to worry about with my company is we're not going to send your information to another country like somebody or like other people do. We'll say that. Like other people do. All the work's being done in the United States, whether it's other CRO'S or whether it's lawyers and attorneys that are working on it for me. Now, I made a video earlier and I said I'm done talking about somebody. And I am done. Like, I even went on to block his channel because the way he pisses me off, I don't need to be that person. I don't need that. And he's just doing it because he gets off on it. And because he's hiding in another country. He tried to tell me earlier he was in New York, and everybody knows he's not in New York. But none of that matters. None of that matters. What we do best is get the maximum results. Of course people sign up and get minimum results. Of course. I'm never going to sit here and just say, oh, I clean everybody's credit up, because that would be 100% a lie. There's people that sign up and it takes a long time. That's just part of the process. I can prove I'm doing the work. Other companies, they can't even prove they're doing the work. But the other thing that I do that I haven't seen anybody do is post the most consistent results. And there's companies out there that have 10 times the clients I do. So obviously, the more clients you have, the more results you should have to show. But we just get consistent results. But again, not everybody signs up and gets amazing results. I never said that. I will never say that. But my services do continue to get better and better and better. If y'all have any questions about this video, leave them in the comments. Sorry I had to be funny at the beginning to make y'all think I was in trouble. I'm not. Somebody did reach out to the Attorney General's office, though. Wonder who that was. But all that's been squared away. We're good to go. Just like I said, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And again, I think I've made 3 or 4 videos. Hope you'll have a great Sunday and a great Father's Day.